Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox error code 288. Now to fix this error, open up your Chrome, tap on the three dots in the right upper corner. After that, scroll down, choose settings. After choosing settings, go ahead and choose privacy and security. After that, choose third-party cookies. Now for this case, you have to make sure that they are allowed. Once they're allowed, you also have to come and tap on this, and then you have to choose a website for your choice, but this is not necessary. Now after doing that, come back, choose delete browsing history, this option over here. Now after that, choose delete browsing history, tap on the more option, tap on all time, then go ahead and click delete data. After doing that, you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching.